How to activate Discover credit card account online. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can activate Discover credit card account online. For this, you want to open any web browser and head over to discover.com. Here, you can easily log into your online account by entering your user ID, credit card, and password. Then click on the login option. If you want to activate your credit card, go ahead and click on Activate Credit Card option. Here you have two options. Either you can activate your card without logging in or by logging in. If you select the login option, you will have to enter your user ID, password, and sequence ID number. If you decide to do this without logging in, then you will have to enter your card number, expiration date, sequence ID number, then enter the primary card member information such as date of birth and last four digits of your social security number. Then click on the continue option. After all these details have been verified, your credit card will be activated. You will receive a notification via SMS or email once your card has been activated. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.